Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss one of the issue which we generally face when we run Terraform commands. So the issue is missing provider. When we run a Terraform plan command, then sometime it got failed due to missing provider issue. So as we know, the Terraform providers are the heart of Terraform because with the help of providers, we download or we connect to the resources from where we have to create the services. So in simple terms, providers are the plugins which we download, and those plugins will help us to connect to those particular provider. It could be, for example, if you are using cloud provider, it could be your Azure, AWS, or GCP. And if the Terraform will not identify the particular plugin, then in that case it will fail. So let's understand the more regions and resolutions. So the very first region, provider not specified. Whatever the required provider you needed to run your Terraform configuration file, that is not defined in your Terraform file. In that case, you will see this particular issue. Second is incorrect provider source, because when we download these provider plugins, we have to define the source. So if you are missing that source, or if you have misspelled that particular source, in that case also you can see this issue. Another reason, provider version conflict. Might be you are downloading the different version, or you are specifying the different version of your provider which is not compatible with your Terraform or other dependencies. In that case also you can see this issue. Another reason, initialization not performed. As we know, in Terraform, first we have to initialize the working directory. If you have not run the Terraform init command and you directly running the Terraform plan command, then you can see definitely this issue. Another reason, corrupted cache. So as we know, all the Terraform provider plugins are downloaded inside the .terraform folder. In this case, if that particular folder is get corrupted, then you will see this issue. Another reason could be your network issue. Maybe Terraform is unable to download the provider due to network restriction. It could be a firewall or proxy. So you will see this issue. Another reason, if you are using any custom providers and you have not specified the correct source to download the custom providers plugin, and in that case you will see this issue. So now let's see how we can resolve this. So the very first thing, you have to validate the provider version or provider configuration in your Terraform, like whatever the version you have specified, whatever the configuration you have specified, that is correct or not. Second, you have to initialize the working directory before running the Terraform plan command. So basically it can download the plugin which is required. Another resolution we can see called upgrade provider plugin. Maybe there is a incompatibility between your provider version and Terraform. In that case, you have to remove the .terraform directory and you have to again initialize it, and you have to run the Terraform plan command again. Another reason, remove and reinitialize. If this is not working at all, then the last option what you can do, you can simply remove the .terraform folder and you can again run the Terraform init command from your working directory. So it will download all the required provider. In that case, suppose you have checked all your configurations files and you have defined the provider source are accurate and correct, there is no misspelled, there is no version issues. In that case, you can simply go and remove your .terraform folder and you can reinitialize it. Another one is validate provider source. So the whatever the providers you are using, it could be your Azure, AWS, or GCP, or any other APIs. So you have to verify the source. Are you using a correct source for that? Another thing is clear plugin cache. If a corrupted plugin cache is suspected, clear the cache. So you can run this command called rm-rf, and again you have to go through this .terraform directory. So you have to download the cache, clear the cache, and delete the log file. If the terraform.log.scl file is causing the conflict, delete it and regenerate it. So for that we have a command called rm, which is remove terraform, the file name .log.scl, and again you will initialize the folder which is terraform init. So these are the options basically which will help you to fix this particular issue. So that's all for today. See you next video. Thank you so much.